Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. All right, y'all. This is normally the old school country breakfast of the week, but as y'all know, I'm doing Easter menu this week, y'all. It's all about Easter menu this week, and I'm starting with one of my favorites. I didn't grow up eating this, but after I got in the professional field out in the industry, this is a must-have on Easter. I don't know why it is, but now I know why it is. It's quiche, y'all. They say real men don't eat quiche. That's a lie. Real men eat quiche. Quiche is absolutely amazing. It's just a savory pie. If the crust is flaky and the fillings are nice and flavorful, it is absolutely amazing. You can eat it for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. It is very interchangeable. That's why I'm doing it on the breakfast segment, because I'm going to do two different types. I'm going to do a ham and cheese, which I love, and I'm going to do original, traditional, authentic quiche Lorraine, which is all it is onions and bacon and Gruyere cheese and Swiss cheese. That's all quiche Lorraine is. So I'm going to do both of these for y'all. Okay, let me get started here. First thing I'm going to do, hold on, let me grab my salt and pepper. I'm definitely going to need that. I'm going to do my Royale. Royale, all Royale is, it's a fancy name for the thickening agent of the quiche. Now, if you don't learn anything today, write this down. 8 eggs to a quart of cream. For anything you make, any kind of pudding, any kind of quiche, anything requires a cream and egg mixture, 8 eggs to each quart will do it every time. You'll have a no fails. Your quiche, your pudding, everything will set up if you use that method. That's the method we use. You can go a little bit higher, do 10 eggs to a quart, but no less than 8 eggs to a quart of cream. That's very important when you're using something to thicken. Like I say, this is just a Royale. It's just that's what we call it in the industry. That's what's gonna thicken this quiche. Gonna put a little salt and pepper in here, not a lot, because remember, I got salt in my cheese, I got salt in my ham, I got salt in my bacon, so I don't want to put too much more salt in here. I need enough salt to kind of balance it off with the eggs and cream don't have salt. So I got to think a half a quart of cream right here, maybe a little bit over a half a quart. And I'm gonna save what's left over this Royale, because I'm gonna make probably another quiche. So that's about a 3/4 of a quart. And it's heavy whipping cream, what you want to use. Now, y'all gonna say, can you use milk? I'm gonna say, yeah, but I'm not gonna promise you it's gonna set up. If you use milk and eggs, you can do that if you want. But I'm not responsible for it not setting up and being firm when you finish cooking it. So I'm just letting you know. People always ask me when I do recipes, can you add this to it? Can you just, look, I'll tell them always, you can do what you want. But if it don't come out like the what I'm doing right now, it's not my fault. I'm telling you the way I do mine. If you want to alter your way, that's on you. I'm gonna y'all wait for a minute. Okay, I'm gonna set this back to the back here, because I don't let that sit up right there. Now, we're gonna make the filling for both of these quiches. Quiches, is that a name? Is that a word? Just a second. Okay, first one I'm gonna do is my ham and cheese. 1 second, y'all. Ham and cheese, one I love so much. I got cheese, and I like to mix these together and then put them in the shell. Some people like to layer them, but I like to mix mine together ahead of time where it's evenly distributed throughout the quiche. Okay, I got ham and cheese, and I got onions here. Use half these onions and the other half for the, and you can see these onions are already sauteed off. I like my onions to be already cooked. Now all I like to do, like I say, is kind of mix my ham and cheese all together here. This up over here out the way so y'all can see here. Cheese and ham all mixed up together. See that? That way it's an even distribution of everything throughout the quiche. That's why I like to do it like this. That one don't want to go in there. Okay. Now we're going to do the traditional If you see Quiche Lorraine, all Quiche Lorraine is bacon. Oh, got a little piece of paper up in there. Bacon, Gruyere cheese, and Swiss cheese, and onion. That's it. You can put some herbs if you want to in there, if you'd like to, but this is traditional right here. Swiss cheese, Gruyere cheese, onions, chopped bacon. That's it. That's your Quiche Lorraine right there. And I absolutely, and a little ham in there left over. I took off there. Get over in there. A little ham in there. You don't want no ham in the Quiche Lorraine. Get back over there where you belong. Okay. That's it. We got our fillings. See how easy that is? That was so easy, right? Okay, now, next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna gotta rust it. That's gonna be for my ham and cheese. Got my store-bought, both of them store-bought, y'all. Both of them bought in the store. I just showing y'all two different ways I usually do it. I'll make it in my glass dish, or I'll back y'all up here where y'all can see. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna make the traditional Quiche Lorraine in this one. Might have too much filling here. There we go. There we go. Now, and my ham and cheese. Which this is my favorite, y'all. Y'all can see I'm making a bigger one of this one. Ham and cheese right here. All right. Y'all with me now? You ain't lose nobody, huh? I hope not. Oh, y'all gonna hear a little water running here in a second. Get this here over out the way here. Y'all know I like to clean as I go, y'all. Clean as you go. Okay. All right, y'all. We got our ham and cheese here. We got a traditional Quiche Lorraine there. Now, back to the Royale that we made a while ago. Got it right here. A little salt and pepper in it. Let's turn it like this, y'all. Let's get organized here. Get organized in here. Okay, mix this up here a little. Now all I'm gonna do, y'all, pour it in my little measuring cup here. It's easy to pour in the quiche. Alrighty. Now all I'm gonna do is pour it on top of here and let it all soak in here. Let it all soak up in there. And do the other one. The other one over here. And be very careful because you don't want to. You want to just go slow and let it soak it all in. Now, when you making one quiche, now remember I doubled the recipe of the Royale. I want y'all to remember that. If you're making one quiche, you're going to do 4 eggs to a half a quart. 4 eggs to a half a quart. A half a quart is how much, y'all? If you're playing along at home. How many cups is a half a quart? That's 2 cups. It's 4 cups in a quart. There we go. A little bit more there. A little bit more over here. There we go. Now, I'm going to put this in the oven. 350 degrees, y'all. For about 30, 35 minutes. Sometimes it takes 40, 45 minutes. But after 30 minutes, check it. People be asking me, well, you say, look, I'm going to put on there 45 minutes. I also going to put a recipe, check it after 30 minutes. Every oven is different. If you got a convection oven and blowing air, it's going to cook quicker. If you got an oven in a different altitude, it's going to cook differently. Check it after 30 minutes, see if it's firm. It should be firm to the touch, in the middle, a little jiggle, you know, and then we'll take it out. So anyway, y'all, I'll be right back when he's ready, and we'll show you how to heal. Then I'm going to let them cool about 15, 20 minutes, and I'm going to cut them, and I'm going to show you how I like to eat my quiche, what I like to eat it with. Anyway, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back. Okay, the Quiche Lorraine is ready. This one took about 40 minutes, y'all. And the quiche Lorraine the other one gonna take about 45 minutes. See how nice this is? And let y'all know, I bake my crust about 2 minutes in the oven. Very little, not even 2 minutes in the oven to give it just a little barrier. It's still even, when I baked it, still is kind of doughy. When I baked it, I didn't tell y'all that in the beginning. Just 2 minutes. That's all I did in the oven, 350, to bake the crust just a little. And then, of course, I put all the filling in. This is what you get here with the quiche Lorraine. And this got to set up at least, I like to let it set at least 15, 20 minutes and kind of chill out a little. But I'm definitely going to eat it while it's warm. So this one's ready, and I'll be right back in just a few minutes when the ham and cheese one get ready. I'll show you that one. And then, like I say, the ham and cheese got about 5 more minutes to go. When the ham and cheese come out, I'll be back and show y'all how that is. So we'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we're back. And here's the ham and cheese quiche right here. See that? Ham and cheese quiche. See that? Nice, firm, perfectly cooked. Like I say, y'all, making quiche is so easy, so simple. And you just, like I said, it's very important to do the 8 eggs to the quart, which is 4 eggs to 2 cups of cream. 4 eggs, 2 cups of cream, or 8 eggs to 4 cups of cream. 8 eggs to a quart. If you're doing 2, most time when I do quiche, I do 2 at a time, because as you can see, 1 quiche ain't gonna be enough. This stuff is absolutely amazing. I can eat a half a quiche myself. Like I said, it's just a savory pie. You can eat it for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. It's so interchangeable and versatile meal. Of course, we didn't have a lot of quiche growing up. Once I got in the restaurant industry, once I tasted it, the flakiness of the crust and the cheesiness, and it's just amazing. So anyway, y'all, I'm gonna be right back and show y'all what I'll be right back in a second, show y'all what I like to eat with my quiche. And I'm gonna plate one up here and show you how it is. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. Okay, I wanna show y'all what I like eating with my quiche here. I'm gonna put this together while my quiche is still getting, a little cooling down a little. I love Caesar salad with my quiche, y'all. It's just something about Caesar salad and quiche that goes so well together. So all I do, I get some fresh grated Parmesan and fresh ground Parmesan. I do 2 grades of fresh Parmesan cheese. Very simple. I don't put no tomatoes in it. I don't put nothing. I toss it with some dressing. A little Caesar dressing there. Hey, I like my canned Caesar dressing. I put me some croutons in there. Toss this up together, y'all. I just let it sit there. I let it kind of sit in the bowl there. And marry it together just a little. And by the time the quiche get ready, my salad is ready, y'all. And this is good eating, I'm telling you. This is where I like to eat my quiche. But anyway, y'all, I'm gonna step off here. I'm gonna cut both slices of this. I'm gonna make 2 different portions, and we're gonna give it a taste test. I'm so excited for this Monday motivational menu idea. No, this ain't Monday motivational. No, this is this is big country breakfast, but this ain't a really your traditional breakfast, y'all. So anyway, y'all, we'll be right back. Easter Sunday's coming up. Good idea for that. Be right back. All right, y'all, we are back. It is time to eat here. Okay, you see the quiche Lorraine right here, the bacon and the onions. Nice onion. Got my Caesar salad on here. Now my ham and cheese, I cut this before it's supposed to have been cut, y'all. You can see it right here. It's still hot. Right here, perfectly cooked. It's just, ooh, it's just hot. I couldn't wait. And once it's set up, it'll firm up. And then you got the bacon and cheese, bacon and onions. So let's try my quiche Lorraine first here. Look at this. Look at that. A little lettuce. I love it with outside. Y'all just gotta try it with the Caesar salad. Look at that, y'all. I love quiche. I love it, I love it, I love it. Okay. Let's try the ham and cheese. Let's try without the salad. Look at that. See, you see it's smoking hot. That's why make sure you let it set up a little before you cut it. Not like mine. But when you can't wait, I'm going in with this hot quiche, y'all. Y'all pray for me. Whew. That's good. A little lettuce to cool it down. That's what you get, y'all. Sorry, y'all. I'm in my element right now. In my element. Wow. And y'all see how simple that was. Easter brunch, Easter breakfast, Easter lunch, Easter dinner. It doesn't matter. All of them, it's good. Like I say, it's for all purposes, y'all. We'll say, y'all. Ham and cheese. Doesn't get no better than this. But anyway, let me close the video out. Y'all know I love quiche. I keep eating this stuff. It's that good. But anyway, if you like this video, please share, please comment, please subscribe. Please follow my other social media accounts: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2022, helping others with a purpose, Old School Soul Food. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day, and I will see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.